How to correct baseline. Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data analyst, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. And if you are new here, then subscribe now for more amazing video just like that. So whenever you collect FTIR, UV-Vis, or chromatography data, you don't just capture your sample peaks. The curve is not smooth enough. You should be smooth your data into graph sh. Instruments also record unwanted background, sloping or wavy lines that distort your results. This is called the baseline, and today I'll show you how to clean it up in Origin with just a few clicks. First, go to the Analysis menu, then open Signal Processing, and from there select Baseline Correction. Now, the Baseline Correction window will appear. Here, you'll see different methods you can use. We are going to work with the baseline. So, select Subtract Baseline and then click on Open Dialog. And then click to Next. Once the dialog opens, you'll notice several options. From these, change the baseline mode into Constant to User Defined. This tells Origin that we want to remove the unwanted background from our data. After making this choice, click OK to confirm. Next, click the Next button to move forward. This will bring you to the baseline mode settings. By default, the baseline mode may be set to Constant, but we need more control. So, change the option to Baseline. Then Interpolation method of baseline, scroll over and you will see the option, then click the anchor points to the Modify option. Now let's continue with the baseline correction. On the baseline mode page, you'll see different options. By default, it may be set to Constant. Change this to User Defined. This option gives us control over how the baseline is drawn. As soon as you do this, look at the graph, you'll notice a line showing the initial baseline placement. Next, click Next to move forward to click out all the points show into graph. Here, you'll find the interpolation method. Select B-Spline. This method creates a smooth curve, which is ideal for following background trends in your data. After choosing B-Spline, click Modify/Delaware. This opens the interactive graph. Take a moment to look carefully at the curve. Now, adjust the baseline by moving the points, drag them so the curve runs along the background, not through your peaks. When the shape looks correct, click Done. And if you want more help and looking for the best writers, tutors or data analysts, visit Intudo4U right now. The next screen is where we set baseline anchor points. Select Add, then click on your graph to place anchors one by one. Double-click to add each anchor, and position them in the flat areas or valleys of the spectrum. This step ensures the baseline follows the background accurately. Once you've added all the points and you're satisfied, click Done, then click Next. Now, under Operation, select Subtract. This tells Origin to actually remove the baseline from your data. For the output, choose whether you want the corrected data in a new XY dataset or in a new sheet. Finally, click Finish. At this point, go to the new worksheet. You'll see the baseline subtracted columns. Select them, and plot your graph again. This time, the baseline will be flat, and your peaks will be much clearer and easier to analyze. And don't forget to subscribe for more high-precision analysis tutorials. See the difference? On the left, peaks sit on a messy slope. On the right, after correction, they're sharp and accurate, ready for reliable analysis. Asterisk, a few quick tips. Backhand index pointing right, always correct the baseline before peak integration. Backhand index pointing right, don't overcorrect, or you might erase real signals. Backhand index pointing right, and always save both raw and corrected data for transparency. Quick question for you, what method do you use most often in Origin, polynomial or rubber band? Drop your answer in the comments below, I'll be replying to your thoughts.